Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your PS5 to your Xfinity Wi-Fi network. Start by turning on your PS5 and going to the home screen. On the top right side of the screen, you will see a small gear icon. This is the settings icon. Select the gear icon to open the settings menu. Once you are inside settings, scroll down until you see network. Select network to open the network options. In the network menu, choose settings. After that, select Set up Internet Connection. This will allow you to connect your PS5 to a Wi-Fi network. Now you will see different connection options. Choose the option to set up using Wi-Fi. Then select Easy Setup. Your PS5 will begin searching for available Wi-Fi networks in your area. Wait for the list of network names to appear. Look for your Xfinity Wi-Fi network name. After selecting your network, you will be asked to enter the Wi-Fi password. You can find this password on the label attached to your Xfinity router. Carefully type in the password using the on-screen keyboard, then select OK. Your PS5 will now test the internet connection. If everything is correct, you will see a message that the connection was successful. Thanks for watching.